Video how to use SMT properly, not just using any SMT, but when to use SMT properly and how to use it to find the highest probability trades. So in this scenario here, the red box is a POI. So I'm looking to take a trade from that area, okay? Looking to take a short. So let's go ahead and play out price. So I'm bearish, okay? In this scenario, I'm going to be bearish, okay? So I'm just waiting for the proper entry. And what I want to show you is the importance of using SMT at the SMR. Okay, so when you have a reversal, you have your left side of the curve, you have your right side of the curve, and then you have what we call a smart money reversal. And then from that will be your center line, and you'll have your left and your right. Okay? So SMT, all right? We have a time cycle SMT, a 3-minute SMT with ES. But what I want to look for is SMT at the SMR. So this technically would not qualify for SMT at the SMR. Okay, the SMR being this left side of the curve forming the SMR right side of the curve. If we have SMT over here, this is a different curve. Okay, this is the right side of a curve from earlier this morning. This becomes the left side of the curve, right side of the curve, left side of the curve. So I'm looking specifically at this most recent price run. So from here to here. Okay. I'm looking for something here. We have this low formation, we have a run higher. So I'm looking for SMT at the SMR up in this area. Let's play it out. Okay, there's SMT. But me, I'm not wanting to get short right now. I'm still waiting. So when price starts moving down right now, I'm not trying to get in this trade. I'm waiting for the right opportunity. Let's play these candles out. Still not interested in this short because I know with my protocol that I need SMT at the SMR. This does not qualify. Okay, this is just SMT. And then watch what happens here. So we get people short. Okay, they're interested. We have a breaker. As you can see, if you're just trading simple patterns, you have a breaker, you're going to be short right now, okay? You're going to place your short here. You have SMT at the high, and this looks like the beginnings of a market maker model. And then what happens? Consolidate, we take out that high. Those shorts are dead. Okay, everybody who got short there stopped out. And now look at what happens. SMT at the SMR. Okay, this becomes the SMR, potentially. And what we have here is a potential breaker formation with NQ. Potential breaker on this down close candle. And then what we have is a potential mitigation block for ES because ES did not take this high. Okay, so what I'm going to look for here is a change in the state of delivery. I'm assuming that's the SMR. And if everything aligns after that, then I'm going to take the trade. So this is the SMR. This is the center line. This is your left side. This is your right side. The right side's not developed yet. And let's play this out. Okay, we get down below the PD array. Let's take a short. Okay, stop's going to go above the SMR high. and we're going to target the market maker model, okay? This low right here. That's our target. Okay, gets us in the trade. Okay, now I want to see this be respected. This PD array must form resistance for this current price action. And we start to roll over. My eyes go to the next PD array, okay? Bullish order block. This becomes irrelevant now. I want to see price use that as resistance and then roll lower. Used it as resistance, starting to really take off now. And my eyes go through here, this series of imbalances, okay? Price gets down below them. We don't need to worry. So let's drag this down to the next PD array. Let's use this bullish order block. We get above it, we use it as support, we run higher. Price closes down below it, we use it as resistance. Let's see if we come back up, okay. Come back up, use it as resistance. Now we're gonna move to another PD array, being this order block. Okay, we need to close down below that now. Okay, we just ran higher, but what did we run into? Okay, we have this still. This needs to hold as resistance. Let's stretch these out a bit. Okay, right there. We closed down below this. Now we test it as resistance. And then price should continue down at this point to hit the final target. See, we're consolidating in this area using this PD array to collect a few more orders. We get down below it again, use it as resistance, and then at this point, price hits the target, okay? So that's how you use SMT properly to find your highest probability reversals.